It's a very professional place to be, especially wanting to grow in engineering. That I get to talk to people every single day.
I haven't seen you in days. Hi.
And just really enjoy it.
The Walter P. Moore office has so many great features, including a sky lounge on the 15th floor, a gym, and this beautiful kitchen area. At Walter P. Moore, you're never hungry.
The interns have been so nice and such a great addition this summer.
Are they watching?
Ask questions and collaborate. Everyone is just like so easy to talk to.
I have a little work for you.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. I've enjoyed my time working at Walter P. Moore. I've really felt valued here as an intern, and I feel like I'm contributing to something great. Working with a team and people who see me as an equal, I feel like I've learned so much in just talking to everyone every day from this internship. Is that good?
Yeah.
Great.